Right then, another green landing video. It's been a while since we've done one. Got the kids in the back. So, just on the A1 now, just stopped off at Wetherby to meet up. Just on his way to Northumberland. And Danny is doing what he normally does.
Faffing about.
Dawdling. Faffing about. What does Danny do, George? Faffing about. Rushing about to get ready, and then Danny's making his son a coffee. So, anyway, we'll pick this back up when we get there, because it's a 2-hour drive, and I've got nobody to swing camera for me. No idea what's going on with rear camera on that car. Need to sort that out. The grill just flew out of that. I hope I got it on camera. This will be tricky. Oh, he's got a flat tyre. So we're getting close to the lane now because we've just gone past the national speed limit and the dead end sign. So we can do 60 mile an hour into the mud if we want to. So this is the start. Track over here. Do you know how all this off-roady stuff works?
No idea.
Pre-neutral.
Yeah.
And then you turn it to low. And then if it looks like you're going, don't put that on unless it's like really slippy. That's your centre diff lock, yeah.
Don't want that then.
So when it starts getting like really muddy, flick it into that, but don't wait till you're stuck to do that. You do it before you're stuck. Hello. So Alex reckons it's going to be tyre letting down time. Let's do this. These General Grabber X3s seem pretty good on road. See what they're like in mud. Random lumps of snow here. This might be the lane this time. Not got wrong way, hopefully. Low range centre diff lock for this, I think. Alex always does alright in his L200. It must be a bit nuts for him. Hey Georgie. Try and get it, horses. Just keep climbing. It's snowy here.
Which bus is down here?
So we're just on a lane here. Last time I came, my Eater Matrix bus, so we went home early. But this is where everybody got stuck. What happened? Scott thought he could get through it. Have you got it in diff lock, Scott?
Got rear diff lock on, yeah.
Gravelled it up. Some tasty motors. Hi pal. Loving life.
Alright, yeah.
Get on.
Yeah, man.
Scott, alright.
That's Ryan.
Ryan.
What, I've got that water coming down off the field, off the snow.
A deep bit of water here. See how deep we go. Oh, not that bad. Quite rocky descent. Lads who went past said it was good on way up. think we've got time for that today. Not if we want to get into the forest like we were originally planning. We're going to take a detour for Danny to go look at a race car. I'm not even braking here down this, just put it in first gear. Let your foot off. A little bit of a delay before it sort of holds you back for some reason.
Look at it, looks like it's flat.
No, it's alright. So with it?
Get a picture, want to get a photo of us?
Alright.
Camera.
Oh, nice. I think it might have been fun going back up here, but we've got time for that. You can't see much out of that window. Danny just took the top of that boulder off. Another lane there, and another gate, which is nice. Steering wheel's got a mind of its own. Oh. Oh. It's doing its own thing. It's like a long one down here. So that bit over there is looking a bit suspect. Looks very watery at minute, but I think it might be more mud than water. There's not many trees. I can see another gate. So, just left Danny and Alex to go look at this car. We're heading in a similar direction, get some food. You two are hungry, aren't you? Yeah. Are you hungry, Albie? Yeah. Get some din-dins there. Posh for us today, this George, but that looks nice, doesn't it? Langley Castle. Just been here for a burger. Absolutely mint. Finishes at 3 o'clock though, so be careful. We only just made it. Just at back at 8 rows. Nice. This is where you're glad you've got Raptor. Oh, don't bring your nice shiny car down here. Slaley Forest. I wonder if Danny's worried. Ooh, Ollie Bush. See what that sounds like. Ooh, nice. So I'm assuming these are just forestry tracks. That's somebody's been up there. Not in a car. Bit splashy. It's knocking on a bit now. 20 past 4, so we set off at 7:30. We're long day. It all seems pretty straightforward up for now. It's not been the most exciting video, I do apologise. Kids have had a good time, that's the main thing. There's to be a lot of trails around here that are not on trail wise, so down there we go and stuff like that. Might be cameras here as well, so be careful if you do. Getting bounced about, aren't we, boys? Yep. Ended up wheeling the train. Deep that.
Oh. Oh. Looks a bit naughty. So, I think this is the end of the day. Lads are getting fed up now. What did you reckon then, Danny? Not really most crazy day, was it?
No, good fun. Something to do.
Strong dog. Oh, what's your head?
There were a lot of, once you appreciate the car can do it, there's a lot of just doing it, isn't there?
Yeah. Once you're like, oh, that looks tasty, and then it just goes up with that. Yeah, if you're in like a Saxo or something, you'd have more of a laugh on that one today.
I think the cars are like built for it, aren't they? So you probably started out with it being and I'm good.
Yeah, well, to be fair, they're not bad out of box.
It's
I know you
out
mean.
quite a lot, like.
Yeah, it's because it's got like everything in back. Danny thought this was something to do with off-roading. It turns out it was a splitter that he should have took out of the car. It's just got everything. Doggy, stroker. So yeah, and this is mine. It's just, I'm letting him cart it around. It's costing him more in fuel. But yeah, need to fix that. Dog's getting terrorised by kids. Yeah, it's been a good day overall. Just steady, but better than getting stuck and breaking down, innit? So yeah, enjoyed it.